I am absolutely furious. I'll show you why. You can see from my photos, previous videos, I had about 15 young Royal Poinciana trees. My sister's team have chopped down every single one. 15 self-seeded Royal Poincianas all along there to there. And there's 2 of them that have been left behind. It was an act of pure malice. Pure malice. The trees were about 5 years old. Chopped down every single one. A whole avenue of Royal Poinciana trees, flamboyant trees. I'm charging my sister $5 million from each one. They're self-seeded from this magnificent tree that was also hacked. They say that the Brisbane City Council are taking action against me. The case was adjourned. Ingia Tran, Paul Maloney, they were in charge. So not only did they steal my bamboo, there was one Royal Poinciana tree right there. It took 7 years to grow and they cut it down in a few seconds with a chainsaw. They said the council required it. Absolutely furious. I'm shaking with anger. This is one of them. Here's the proof. 2 of them. The others were taken, put in a skip bin. The guy who brought the skip bin, I tried filming him. He said, "Don't film me, cunt!" Jumped off the truck. Kicked me, pushed me, and tried to smash my camera. I rang 000. And Senior Constable Mike Walters from the Maruka station came around to my house. He was part of the plot. I'm the Senior Sergeant Tony Collins. Mike Walters talked to Cassimaty, who my sister described as the supervisor. The guy's a thief and a thug. Cassimaty walked onto the property of my neighbor, my hostile neighbor who works for Raytheon. These guys, you can see their spy devices. Andre and Blanche Morel. They have a friend who drives an Otis truck. Otis is an elevator company owned by Raytheon. My sister sent security guards to keep them safe, to keep Cassimaty safe. Not by coincidence, the father of the guy who just told me his name was James. He said his father worked for Raytheon. That's why I'm claiming $900 billion compensation from Raytheon. Now it's increased. I'm claiming $2 trillion from Raytheon. How dare they? There were a whole lot of them. They poisoned some of them and chopped the other ones down. Just pure malice. Pure malice. My sister hates me. So yesterday more goons came around to the house. Tree loppers, they call themselves. A Fijian Indian guy. A Samoan guy. Who told me that the owner of the house is Michael Cassimaty. I want these people arrested, jailed, pending execution. It's a crime against nature, and that's international law. Crimes against nature carry the mandatory death penalty. Store my bamboo, store my flower pots, store my monsteras, my cactuses, my honeysuckle. Store it all, 2 skip bins full of it. I'm charging $20 million for each of the skip bins. The interest will accrue at the rate of 50% per week until it's paid. It's non-negotiable. Crimes against nature are more heinous than crimes against humanity. According to international law. I'm very, 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 very angry.